Hello everyone, let's continue with how to format numbers inside a string. We have x equal some big number like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And we want to print if the value of your variable x equal, and we want here the x value. So x will be printed in our string as we defined it in the x variable here. Okay, here this number is hard to read. I want to add commas, so I will use this expression x colon comma. X colon comma will add commas to my number. Now it will be easy to read. Another thing, what if my x have decimals like 5, 4, 6, 8? Now it's float number and I want to insert this x inside my statement, the value of your variable x. Okay, using commas also, it will be the same number here with commas plus my decimals. What if we want to round this fractional part? This fractional part we can round it to 2 decimal places, 0.2 f to 2 decimal places, so this 4 will be 5, 2.55. Maybe you want it to be 3 decimal places, so this 6 will be 7. Maybe you want it to be 1f, 1 decimal place, so it will be only 5.5. Okay. Other thing, you can use the percent sign. You can use the percent sign. Like, let's say we have a variable y equal 0.2. And we want to print the following statement: my phone battery is my phone battery is here my curly braces y, but I wanted to say 20%, so y colon .1%. So now the statement is my phone battery is 20.0%. This percent sign multiply the value of y by 100, then apply the format I want. I want it to be formatted to one decimal place. So now you have this one decimal place. Let's say also another example, y equal 0.65. I want my battery be 65% and format the value of y to 2 decimal places. The result will be my phone battery is 65.00. If y equal 65.6 and I want this to be also formatted to 2 decimal places using the percent sign. Now my phone battery is 65.60. So this y number is multiplied by 100 and formatted to 2 decimal places. Okay? So for now we are done. In the next lesson we will learn how to use complex numbers. So see you next lesson and bye.